The National Population Commission (NPC), in collaboration with the National Orientation Agency (NOA), has held a capacity building workshop for its staff ahead of the 2023 Digital Population and Housing Census. The News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) reports that participants in the two-day workshop, which began on November 22 with a roadwalk, include NPC management staff and representatives of all local governments in the state. NPC Director in Oyo State, Abdul Karim Bello, said the aim was to improve the capacity of participants, seek stakeholders' support, and sensitize the public to the census exercise.
Before now, we have been collaborating with some, let's say, some media outfits, and we have been seeing results. But we want to opt our performance in terms of publicity and advocacy. That's why we're engaging the NOA people who are more grassroots based and can highly mobilize people for us. The methodologies we want to use this time around, which is more or less digital. So we have to abreast ourselves with the digital notions and how it entails vis-a-vis the field capturing of people, not only people but houses. So that's why we will say, okay, we should get together and engage, educate, and if possible, know how to go about it during the next census. The objective is to first of all synergize with the two staff from the two agencies, strengthen our relationship better, and possibly the whole thing revolves around the end product, which is the 2023 census, on creating awareness and sensitizing the general people.
Mr. Kayode Odedokun, the state director of NOA, said the workshop was organized to ensure better understanding between personnel of both agencies for a successful census.
And basically, because we are starting with the responsibility of ensuring that people know, evidently people will be asking questions. So when questions are being raised, we want to let them understand the need for them to be counted, because it's going to be for their benefit. It's going to be for the benefit of individuals, it's going to be for the benefit of the states, and it's going to be for the benefit of Nigerians, as it were. But I can assure you of one thing: unlike previous census, where you have paper and what have you, in this case, the application will basically be on digitalization, ensuring that, just like the director said, there will be a control room, and the control room is to ensure that perhaps if I'm on enumeration and I've missed the house, I could be called back via the control room that you have missed this aspect of it. Go back, perhaps those people are not in the house. Go back and ensure that these people are counted, or the house is numbered, as it were. Our focus is basically to ensure that there is compliance. And when you are talking about compliance, making the individuals available to be counted, to be enumerated, for their houses to be enumerated. You know, we are talking about census, and when you are talking about census, it simply implies that individuals will be counted, houses will be counted. That's why we call it population census.